In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a countdown timer in Miro. If you're facilitating a workshop, running a brainstorming session, or guiding a team activity, using the built-in timer is a simple way to keep everyone focused and on schedule. To begin, open your Miro board in Google Chrome. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving on, since the timer will run directly within that active workspace. Using Chrome helps ensure the interface looks and behaves as expected, which can make the process smoother, especially if you're following along for the first time. Once your board is open, look down at the bottom collaborative toolbar. In that toolbar, find the timer icon, which looks like a stopwatch. Go ahead and click it to open the timer controls. This is where you'll set up the countdown that everyone on the board can follow. If you're working with a group, it's a good idea to let participants know you're about to start the timer so they're ready to begin the activity as soon as the countdown starts. After opening the timer, set your desired minutes and seconds. Choose the amount of time that fits the task you're giving your team. For example, a short countdown can work well for quick idea generation, while a longer one may be better for discussion, planning, or reviewing content. Take a moment to double check the time before starting, especially if you're in a live session where pacing matters. When everything looks right, click Start. As soon as you do, the countdown will begin for all active board users. That means everyone currently in the board will be able to see the timer and follow the same time limit, which is especially helpful for keeping group activities aligned. It creates a clear, shared deadline and helps reduce confusion about how much time is left, and that's all there is to it. Open your Miro board in Chrome, click the stopwatch icon in the bottom toolbar, set your minutes and seconds, and click. Start to launch the countdown for everyone active on the board. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping sessions organized, efficient, and easy to manage.